it's covered, but it looks pretty because look at the mountains.
Why am I still good? You know what mountain that is? It's your best.
Are we halfway?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we're halfway the hike. How do you feel?
No, my low iron's killing me.
Yeah. Look at the.
Yeah, but we know we gotta book like March. February, March.
She's like,
Yeah, like nice, fun, well.
No, it's
Okay, I'm gonna film. Guys, I'm really tired.
Yo, what's up here? Casey, what's this one?
Resting place.
the other way.
Oh. Okay, guys. I don't know why I said yes to this hiking.
You can go.
Okay. Oh, there's horses.
I could have taken a horse up here.
I want a horse. Okay, so there's a horse. See, yeah, I didn't know we can take a horse. I don't know if they can see that. Oh, they can see it. Yeah. But we're at Mirror Lake right now, guys. Oh, shoot. Look at that.
How do you feel, Lola?
Tired. I could feel my heart beating. My lungs
You
are...
have a bug on your finger.
Oh. Yeah, as long as it doesn't bite me.
How do you feel, Dana?
A few moments later.
We found an ID. Well, she did.
And I'm like looking for everything.
Wang! Wang! Let's just... I'm not gonna use my camera now. I'm too lazy to take it out.
Yeah.
But we're at the top. I thought we were gonna go to Lake Agnes, but we ended up in the beehive thing.
Yeah, but the view's cool.
Steppy. Steppy wants to go home too. Do you? Yeah, me too. I want something cold and something refreshing, and I just want to shower. I want to go home and shower.
I feel so sweaty.
I look so dehydrated and I look so tired. Well, okay. Face guard.
What?
Okay. Now we're doing the. What are we doing? The final climb. Yeah. Hey guys. Oh, Steppy. I don't know if that was blurry or not. It's okay. Oh
Wow, we're gonna go down to watch. You guys want a picture?
I'm okay.
This part is so